Greetings from Shib once again, everyone. $10 is real, as experts have just demonstrated. Prepare to never work another job. In other SHIB news, TOA has expanded its payment choices by partnering with BitPay, the loan payment gateway, and is now accepting 16 cryptocurrencies, including well-known ones like Shiba Inu, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Thanks to this agreement, collectors and aficionados will have additional options when it comes to using their favorite cryptocurrencies to buy NFTs. In this video, we'll discuss the most recent developments in the SHIB ecosystem as well as specialists demonstrating that $10 is real. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Topi has announced that its fans can now solely use Ethereum to purchase limited edition NFT editions created by Ronald Kwong, also known as Seer Light, an illustrator and animator located in Los Angeles. Now accessible on the platform are two of these well-liked NFT editions, Hunters in the Snow, which draws inspiration from Peter Bruegel the Elder's original artwork, and Mirage, which draws inspiration from the KHM's amazing architecture. With its main office located in Lisbon, Portugal, TOA is an online marketplace that specializes in non-fungible tokens. The website offers an easy-to-use interface for purchasing and selling a variety of digital assets, such as virtual real estate, virtual clothes for avatars in online games, digital music, and digital art. Through TOA, consumers may easily engage in the expanding digital art market, experience a variety of NFTs, and find new artists. An administrator of the Shirum Tech Telegram channel has stated that the official documentation for Shirum is now available. The admin, someone smart, sent a remark stating that the reason the developers haven't released it yet is that they're still going over the finer points with lead developer K. Dia of Shiba Inu. The administrator also mentioned that developers might release anything other than the documentation. It's unclear what that could be. Docs are finished, and the admin wrote that the small delay is because it's being reviewed with the call to make sure everything is okay. Additionally, if it's feasible, we'll release more items than docs. Notably, the message was also reposted on Twitter by well-known Shiba Inu influencers, Lucy at Lucy Shiba and Shib Knight at Army Shiba. View the tweets that follow. Remember that the developers had originally said that the documentation would be made available 1 week following the beta launch of the planned Ethereum Layer 2 solution. It has been over 2 weeks since the beta version was released on March 11th. In addition, Call had stated in a March 16th Twitter discussion that the documents will be shipped in 4 to 5 days. It is important to note that the project has encountered a lot of criticism in the last few weeks. The main accusation leveled against it is that the code was stolen from a forthcoming project called Renia. The developer of Renia has refuted this assertion, as stated. In the past, autonomous Shiba Inu lead developer Shoy Kusama made a pledge that Shirum would draw in users from outside the Shiba ecosystem in addition to acting as a leader-to-platform for Shiba ecosystem members. Furthermore, it pledges to burn SHIB with every transaction, a vow that has the community thrilled about the possibility of a drastically reduced token supply and a potential increase in the value of their holdings. Based on the Ethereum blockchain, Shiba Inu is a peer-to-peer token network. It is not governed by a central body or middlemen. Shiba Inus have produced amazing returns, turning many into millionaires or even billionaires. Because Shiba Inu is inexpensive and hence available for microtransactions, it has become more and more popular. Its success can also be ascribed to its sound justification, which has generated outstanding profits for its investors. It now consistently ranks among the top 20 coins in the cryptoverse, with daily trading volume approaching $500 million. Right now, Shiba Inu is having trouble getting out of a recent rut. On-chain data indicates that the price recovery of SHIB may be hampered by a slowdown in network expansion and pressure from long-term holders wishing to sell their shares. Since the beginning of March, there has been a decline in the quantity of new addresses added to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, according to recent data from Glassnode. There are just 1,759 new addresses as of right now, which is a sharp contrast to the 5,575 addresses that were registered in February, which was just 1 month ago. This sharp drop can indicate that people are losing interest in the coin or are turning their attention to other virtual assets. There are issues facing the Shiba Inu community beyond a decline in new addresses. Sentiment data indicates that holders of tokens for an extended period of time may be liquidating their holdings, which might trigger a large sell-off and further depress prices. Furthermore, the number of participants in successful transactions on the network is measured by the lag in active addresses, as indicated by on-chain data. Shiba Inu may have difficulties in the next weeks if the trend of fewer new addresses on a blockchain network persists, as it may suggest a lack of interest in the platform's essential features. As of right now, only 106,000 Shiba Inu addresses are active, a decrease of 30% over the last 30 days. This implies that Shib users have not been as likely to use the token for transactions. The likely reason for this tendency could be Shib's poor performance lately, which resulted in a notable 18.65% decline in the same time frame. It remains to be seen whether the present circumstances will enable the well-known cryptocurrency to recover at all for market analysts and Shib investors. The burn rate of Shib has increased by an astounding 5,000%, which is an odd trend. The token's value has not changed significantly over the last 2 weeks, even with this spike. Under normal circumstances, an asset's value increases when its burn rate rises because of a decrease in supply. The basic laws of supply and demand explain this phenomenon. An asset's price should rise when it becomes scarce and demand either stays the same or increases. However, if SHIB breaks past its present resistance level at 0.0012, bullish investors might retake the lead and the price may rise for a longer period of time. Despite being an underdog in the recent cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu is still a popular token among enthusiasts because of its vast and passionate community. Shiba Inu has been performing poorly in the past, but in the last few days, it has improved by 5.6%, from 0.102 to 0.178. Many investors have taken notice of this slight but noticeable increase and are now keeping a careful eye on the token's performance. Shiba Inu's success can be ascribed to its audacious future goals, which have garnered the backing of numerous investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. These goals include developing a stablecoin, a blockchain called Shib, and establishing a global exchange of value. Investors are also aware of Shiba Inu's intentions to introduce Shib, its own blockchain. With Shib, developers will have a platform to construct totally community-driven ecosystems and decentralized apps, dApps. Shiba Inu's action is anticipated to boost the utility of the token, which could raise its value and demand. The Shiba Inu community is still committed to limiting Shib's availability and increasing the value of their unique token. In the past, in just one day, 10 distinct transactions and 27,668 Shib have been permanently withdrawn from circulation thanks to the Shibu community-led burn campaign. The day's biggest burn transaction originates from the unidentified wallet. In a single, strong transaction, the wallet transfers 14,371,1980 Shib to the burn addresses. Shiba Inu's total burn rate decreased by -96.34% throughout the previous day despite the severe burn. Over the course of the last 7 days, the Shibu community has executed several transactions totaling 1,789,115,447 Shib. The biggest burn transaction happened yesterday when the recently introduced cryptocurrency Koyo delivered an incredible 758,951,740 Shib to the dead wallet in one go. Since March 10, Koyo has been actively involved in the Shiba Inu burn.